Hello everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will get to know how you can send free SMS using Firebase. Yeah, definitely. So via Firebase you can send free SMS but only OTP to verify your number or for the login purpose or auth. You can't send like promotional messages through the Firebase. So at first you need keys and IDs to in order to use the Firebase API. So for that thing I have already given the steps here, right, and added the image as well, that how you can create the project, right, and how the project will be initiated, then what next screen will come. From there you have to choose authentication, and from the authentication you have to click here on the get started, and then from here you have to choose phone, right, and then here you have to click on edit. When you click on edit you can see these details, and thereafter you will click on this code part, right, because the part is we are integrating it in web, so you have to click on this code symbol. So when you click on this code symbol you have a screen like something like this, then do the setup, and then you will get the keys and all those things the way I have get here, right. Now let's jump to the integration part, right. So let's create a project first. I have to disable my antivirus, otherwise it will start giving me some SSL errors while installing Laravel from the scratch. So let's begin it. So the first thing is we have to create a project. So we have to add the command composer create project, then Laravel slash Laravel, and then Firebase learn. So right now project is creating, and in this video also we don't use any third-party packages. We will directly use the API or the code for the Firebase, because definitely when you use the third parties things will be easier, but the part when you upgrading your Laravel, and if at that time the package won't support the Laravel latest version, then definitely at that point you will face some issues. Okay, so it is being installed. So let's open it, Firebase learn. Let's copy the env part. So here is my env part. Let's copy it. You can get all those details the which I have shown in my blog. Okay, now okay, let's open it. So I have added all the details. This all the details being provided by the Firebase. So the first thing I would love to create a okay. So in this code without controller you can do it, because I have tried to make the thing simpler as possible so that you guys will understand it easily. So in this code you definitely don't need the controller. So the first thing will be in the sources view I will create one blade file. So just go to resources view and then new file, paste it here. Okay, copy it. Okay, so and we need one route as well. Where is the route code? Okay, I think I forget to add the route code here in this one. Well, don't worry about it. I will update this code, and if you see the I have already pushed the code on the GitHub as well. So you need the boilerplate of this project, you can get it from here as well. So in the this one we have to okay, I have given here route.view, route.get. Okay, yeah. So this, so you know whenever we are adding some new route we have to do php artisan route cache. Then next will be php artisan serve to run in development mode, and then just copy it, open the URL and paste Okay, now it is asking for the number. So I think this number is being provided by the to test. I don't know. I think this number is being provided by the Firebase itself. I think when you activate your billing account, because right now with my account billing is not activated, so the first thing is you must have to activate your billing account. It won't charge you at I think they have given 10,000 messages per month, like up to that they are won't charging. So you can enable your billing method, so that you can send your OTP as well. Above that they will charge you. So I am not a robot. Okay, so you can see here I am getting the message billing not enabled, right? And that's why I am getting an invalid error. So the part is this code will definitely work for you, don't worry about that. The only thing is you must have to activate your billing in order to send messages to any mobile number which you give here, right? You can give here any mobile number, not this one. Like for example, if I give number like 76. So if the billing will be activated, then definitely this number will receive an OTP for sure. But right now the billing will be not activated, so for that reason this number is not receiving the OTP. But anyways, if you are integrating this and like you stuck at some point, if you need some help, you can definitely comment on the chat box, and you can also hire us for sure, right? And the other part is I am repeating that all the code which you are seeing here, we have also pushed on GitHub as well, so that things will be easier. And how to get your keys, I have added all those photos here, like step by step, so definitely you won't get any of the issues to do any of the things. But anyways, like if you get any issues or problem, I love to help you. Well, really thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.